In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username in Etoro on mobile. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what to expect along the way so you can update your username with confidence. Start by opening the Etoro app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account you want to update. If you use multiple accounts or devices, double check you're in the right place before making changes. Having a stable internet connection helps everything save smoothly. Once you're in, look for the menu icon at the top left of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap that to open the main menu and reveal more options. From there, scroll down until you see Settings. Go ahead and tap Settings to enter the area where you can manage your account preferences. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Account or Profile Settings. Depending on your app version, the wording may vary slightly, but both take you to the same place where you can make updates to your personal details. Open that section and then look for the field labeled Username. Next to the username field, you should see a small edit or pencil icon. Tap that to make the field editable. Now enter the new username you'd like to use. Keep in mind your username needs to be unique. If someone else is already using it, the app will prompt you to choose a different one. It's a good idea to pick something easy to recognize and professional since others may see it. Avoid using sensitive personal details and stick to characters the app allows. Letters, numbers, and simple symbols are usually safest. When you're happy with your new username, tap Save or Confirm to apply the change. Give it a moment to process. In many cases, you'll see your new username appear right away. You may be prompted to verify the change by entering your password or completing an additional security step. This is normal and helps protect your account. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the verification within the app. If you see an error, like the username being taken or not meeting requirements, try a slight variation, such as adding a number or adjusting the spelling. If the edit option isn't available, it may be restricted based on your account status or app version, so check for any in-app notes about limitations. That's it. You've updated your Etoro username on mobile quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to ensure your new username reflects how you want to be recognized on the platform.